Welcome to 3 easy vodka drinks with EliteDrinks.com. So our first drink is the Mule, which is Smirnoff vodka, ginger beer and lime. We're going to put ice into the glass, fill halfway I would say. We're going to do a double because that's why. And then top it up with a ginger beer. And pop a piece of lime. Next up we have something that I haven't had in a long time, sex on the beach. We're going to start with some ice again. Into the glass. We are going to do a vodka, as always. Double. Because we're going to put the peach schnapps on top. I would say maybe half, like 30, not a full double, unless you're really feeling it. And I know some of you might be. Some orange juice on top. Like the sunset in Ibiza that we haven't got to see in a while. And then afterwards, cranberry. Look at that. Amazing. I would put a lemon on that. I would put a lemon. I'm a little bit strange. I'll give it a lemon. Sex on the beach. So next up we have the Pearl Harbor cocktail, which is vodka, pineapple and lime. So we're going to start again with our ice, as always. Ooh. She's as cold as ice, really is the sacrifice. We're going to put the Smirnoff first. I would do half. Okay, I'm lying, I would do full. Then we're gonna go lime juice actually. I like to change my mind. Cocktails is about being yourself. Always do what works for you. So I'd go 1, 2. Then we're gonna pineapple it. Because you put and like that, we have a Pearl Harbor. Next up we have the nation's favourite cocktail, vodka orange. So we always start off with ice. We were going to measure it, but we're not going to this time because it's the favourite. So we're just going to go straight in, vodka, and to keep us healthy, orange. And also, when you get too drunk and the next day, glass of orange.